Hi Kesha, how are you?
Very good, how are you?
All well.
I'm so happy to be back again.
We are equally delighted to have you back again.
So today, as you know, that I'm feeling extremely dull and dehydrated on my skin because I've just attended a wedding.
Yeah.
And winter weddings, especially during
I
the
know.
day, can just make you totally like wear off.
Absolutely.
And of course, I have like say 1-2 small acne breakouts also recently because of hormonal changes. So I have come to you to understand what is it that today you can do for my skin to of course add back the hydration and also take care of these two little baby bumps that I have.
So I think you've also been putting a lot of makeup and all for the wedding and all. I think that becomes again a toll for the skin. So I can see some dry patches on the skin out here, and yes, little bit of acne as you said.
Yeah.
So what we have is a very fabulous treatment called dermal infusion by Yavana. Now this is a technology wherein we do 2-3 things together.
Okay.
So in a 30-minute quick thing, what we do is we stimulate your skin. So we extract all the toxins and the collections from your skin like whiteheads, blackheads, and parallelly it also infuses serums inside the skin.
Okay.
So again we can customize it, like you have both dehydration and acne, so we can have a concoction of a hydrating serum which is going to have hyaluronic acid, allantoin, chamomile, and plus we can also do a little bit of acne treatment with it. So parallelly we are treating two concerns at the same time.
Correct.
And it's a quick treatment, so you can go out and go to wedding tomorrow itself and start seeing the results immediately.
Oh wow.
So the skin starts feeling plumper, healthier, better, and the results generally keep on maintaining for at least the next 10-15 days.
Okay. And doctor, how often would you recommend someone getting this whole dermal infusion treatment?
So if you're looking at a treatment part, say you have dry skin or acne or pigmentation, then we suggest that do at least 4 to 6 sessions every 15 days apart.
Okay.
And if you're just doing it because you have a little bit of patchy skin and you just want to do a one-off thing, then you can do it even monthly to maintain and improve the skin quality.
Okay.
So I like to customize as per your skin, you know that very well, and
Yeah.
then suggest. So today I definitely would want to do the hydration bit for you. So the skin feels very nice. You already have a lovely skin. Just to add that moisture to the skin and hydrate it well.
Okay, so great. I think it's perfect for the winters and it's perfect for the fact that it's the wedding season also right now.
Absolutely.
And the fact that you mentioned the treatment has absolutely no downtime.
Absolutely not.
It just makes me feel
Yes.
even amazing. So let's just get into the treatment.
Absolutely.
Right now.
Let's go ahead.
Great.
Machine, dermal infusion. It's from US and it's a patented device. Now if you see, we already have attached the Ultra Hydration Pro Infusion Serum. This is one which you're going to do, which is very good for winters because it has hyaluronic, allantoin, glycerin. So a lot of good extracts which are hydrating your skin and repairing it. And then after you finish, we are going to see all the gunk from your skin in this jar.
Oh wow.
So the extractions are going to be seen here.
Great, let's start then. So my treatment's done and it was super easy, super quick, and what's come out of it is all of this. It is crazy because that's the amount of gunk which was inside my skin, and I'm sure it could be inside yours also, but you will not realize until you actually get this treatment done.
So Hesha, the treatment is done for the winters. Are you ready? How did you find the session?
So quite frankly, the session was very fast and
Yes.
it was effortless. Like I
Absolutely.
didn't feel any pain, there was no discomfort of any kind.
Right.
And like now when I'm actually looking at my skin, I definitely feel it's a lot more supple, soft. I am feeling hydrated as well. And my nose, like it's shining. It feels clean, it's shining, and we all saw the gunk
Yes.
that came out of my
Yes.
face, irrespective of the cleansing, toning, everything that we do on a day-to-day basis. So overall, I'm liking it. And just by the way, my skin has no makeup on right now,
Yeah.
so it's naturally just
looking
what it
nice.
is.
And in fact, it's looking better without makeup, I feel.
It's after the treatment actually because all the gunk has
Yes,
come out, so the
yes.
natural shine and
Yes.
glow is out.
And so to just keep on improving the next couple of days. So I'm really looking forward to seeing next time how the skin looks like, without.
Yes. So, doctor, any specific post care that I need to worry about as of now?
Not really. This is a quick treatment. Why I like this treatment is because everybody is busy and they don't have time for those elaborate treatments. So this is a quick treatment. At the same time, you can go back, like you can put your makeup on tomorrow, day after. You can go about using. Only thing is you should stop any actives 3 days before and after the treatment. Other than that, you can continue with your products, your sunscreen, moisturizer, and go about your gym, going partying, going to work. Absolutely fine. So there's no downtime in this.
And the next treatment for the same dermal infusion, I'm seeing you in how many days?
After 15 days.
Perfect. So, doctor, I'm going to catch you in the next 15 days.
Absolutely.
And hopefully, I'll have, the second one will be like 10 times more glowing than this one.
I'm very sure of that.
Yeah, because of multiple
Yes,
sessions, right?
yes,
That will
yes,
work. But
yes.
if the first one is like this, I'm sure the other ones will also make it even more better.
So really looking forward to doing the next one.
Great. Me too. See you soon, doctor.
Absolutely.
I hope you guys had fun watching us and watching this treatment and getting my skin cleaned up. If you guys liked the video, make sure that you give us a big thumbs up. If you have any questions pertaining to dermal infusion, you can hit Dr. Madhuri up and she will answer all your questions. I'll see you in my next video.
See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.